Project management business documents are documents that are used to plan, execute, and control projects within an organization. These documents may include a variety of different types of information such as project plans, schedules, budgets, status reports, and risk assessments. Some common types of project management business documents include project charter, project plan, work breakdown structure, risk management plan, status reports, business case, project benefits management plan, and many others that we will hear about during our journey. Overall, project management business documents are an important tool for planning, executing, and controlling projects within an organization. They help to ensure that projects are aligned with the organization's goals and objectives, and that they are completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. The project sponsor is generally accountable for the development and maintenance of the project business case document. The project manager is responsible for providing recommendations and oversight to keep the project business case, project management plan, project charter, and project benefits management plan success measures in alignment with one another and with the goals and objectives of the organization. The project manager needs to ensure that project management approach captures the intent of business documents. These documents are defined in the diagram mentioned here. These two documents are interdependent and iteratively developed and maintained throughout the life cycle of the project. Project managers should appropriately tailor the noted project management documents for their projects. In some organizations, the business case and benefits management plan are maintained at the program level. Project managers should work with the appropriate program manager to ensure the project management documents are aligned with the program documents. The picture here illustrates the interrelationship of these critical project management business documents and the needs assessment. This picture shows an approximation of the life cycle of these various documents against the project life cycle. See you in the next lecture.